St David's Day, we do a Welsh quiz. I have PowerPoint. We look at lots of different aspects of Wales, promoting Wales in that way. Recipes, ratio, Welsh cakes. We do Welsh cakes. Looking at ratio, instructional texts. So we look at specifically instructional text, looking at Welsh cakes, and converting the English to Welsh on some of the recipe. Dylan Thomas. I take a group in Caerlas, which is a charity in Swansea, and we visited the Dylan Thomas Centre, the museum, looked at lots of Welsh themes down there.